Hello students, welcome to our e-learning classes of Modern English of Kunti Nagar, Nevada. Students, today we are going to discuss trigonometric ratios of some particular angles related to trigonometry. Okay, some particular angles, it means such as 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Okay, so related. So students, in this video lecture we are going to discuss trigonometric ratios of some particular angles. So let's start. So students, first T ratios of 45 degree. T ratios of 45 degree angle. First of all, we draw a right angle triangle. A, B and C. First of all, we draw a right angle triangle ABC in which angle B is 90 degree, okay, and angle C is 45 degree. For students, we know that the form of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So angle B is 90 degree, C is 45 degree. Then we say that the angle A is also 45 degree. Okay. So students, this triangle is isosceles right angle triangle. Okay. So two angles are equal. Then we say that their opposite sides are also equal, and AB is equal to BC. So let AB is equal to A unit and BC is equal to A unit. Okay. So first of all find the AC by using Pythagoras theorem. So AC is equal to root under AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square, because we know that AC is the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is the opposite sides of a right angle. Okay. So and by using Pythagoras theorem, in a Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse का square is equal to perpendicular का square plus base का square. So AC is equal to root under AB square plus BC square, and we write कि AB is equal to A unit, so that is A का square, or plus BC is also A unit, that is A square. So students, root under A square plus A square, that is 2A square. Okay, so we write under root 2A. So hypotenuse is under root 2A. Okay, so we find the six trigonometric ratios of the 45 degree. First, find 45 degree. Okay, find 45 degree. Find theta is perpendicular by hypotenuse. So perpendicular is AB, okay, and hypotenuse is AC. So AB by AC or BC by AC, because कि both acute angles are 45 degree. अगर हम इफ एक्यूट एंगल की बात करते हैं तो परपेंडिकुलर मेरा ये होगा, और इफ एक्यूट एंगल की बात करते हैं तो भी परपेंडिकुलर हमारा ये होगा. सो नो प्रॉब्लम. ए बी बाई ए सी, दैट इज ए बाई रूट 2 ए इज कैंसिल, दैट इज 1 बाई रूट 2. ओके, सो फाइंड 45 डिग्री इज इक्वल टू 1 बाई रूट 2. सो स्टूडेंट, फाइंड 45 डिग्री का वैल्यू कितना होगा? 1 बाई रूट 2. ओके, सो कॉस 45 डिग्री, cos 45 degree, that is the base by hypotenuse. So BC by AC. Okay, BC by AC, and BC is equal to A and AC is equal to root 2A. So this is also 1 by root 2. So students, cos 45 degree का वैल्यू भी क्या होगा? 1 by root 2. Okay, and 45 degree cos and sin, both the value are equal. Okay, so sin cos after cos, that is tan 45 degree. Tan 45 degree is equal to perpendicular by base. So AB by BC. Okay, so AB by BC, AB is a unit or BC is also a unit. A is cancelled, that is 1. So students, tan 45 degree is equal to 1. Okay. The reciprocal of the sine 45 degree is the cosec 45 degree. Cosec 45 degree, and we write ki cosec 45 degree is 1 by sine 45 degree. Okay, and 1 by sine 45 degree, put the value of sine 45 degree, that is 1 by root 2, so that is root 2. Okay, for cosec 45 degree, the value of the cosec 45 degree is root 2. Okay, and the next is reciprocal of the cos 45 degree, the sec 45 degree. For sec 45 degree, we write q1 by cos 45 degree and 1 by cos 45 degree, that is root 2. Okay, so sec 45 degree, the value of the sec 45 degree is also root 2. Okay, and the tan 45 degree, the reciprocal of the tan 45 degree is the cot 45 degree. Cot 45 degree, we write q1 by tan 45 degree, and 1 by tan 45 degree, that is 1 by 1, that is 1. Okay, so students, sine 45 degree, the value of the sine 45 degree 1 by root 2, cos 45 degree 1 by root 2, tan 45 degree 1. Okay, and the reciprocal of the sine 45 degree, the cosec 45 degree, that is the value of root 2, and the cos 45 degree, the reciprocal of the cos 45 degree, the sec 45 degree, the value of root 2, and the cot 45 degree, the reciprocal of tan 45 degree, the value of the cot 45 degree is also 1. Okay, next is T ratios of 60 degree and 30 degree. 60 degree and 30 degree. So find the value of trigonometric ratios of the 60 degree and 30 degree. First of all, we consider an equilateral triangle. Okay, an equilateral triangle A, B and C. Okay, so with each side equal to, with each side is equal to a unit. Okay, and each angle of an equilateral triangle is 60 degree. Okay, and students, we draw AD is perpendicular to BC. Okay, AD is perpendicular to BC. So this is the perpendicular, that is the angle ADB, and angle ADC is 90 degree. Okay. Now students, in an equilateral triangle, we draw perpendicular to any vertex to the opposite side is the bisect the angle and the side both. Okay, so D is the midpoint of BC, that is BD is equal to DC. So BC is equal to A unit and BD is equal to A by 2 and DC is equal to A by 2. Okay, and 60 degree whole angle and angle BAD is 30 degree and DAC is also 30 degree and whole is 60 degree. Okay, first of all, students, we find the perpendicular AD. Okay, AD. So in triangle, in right triangle ADB, AD square, that is the perpendicular. AD square is AB square plus BD square. AD AB square minus BD square. Okay, so AB is equal to A unit, that is A square, and BD is equal to A by 2 ka whole square, that is A square minus A square by 4. So take LCM 4, that is 4A square minus A square, that is 3A square by 4. So students, removing a squaring on AD, so root under 3A square by 4, that we write root 3A by 2. Okay, root 3A by 2. So AD is root 3A by 2. Okay, so students, first of all, find the trigonometric ratios of the 60 degree in triangle ADB. Any triangle, in triangle ADB or in triangle ADC. Okay, no problem. So in triangle ADB, okay, for find 50 degree. Find 50 degree, that is the perpendicular AD by the hypotenuse AB. For AD is equal to root 3a by 2 and hypotenuse is A. Okay, root 3a by 2a. A is cancelled, that is root 3 by 2. So the value of find 50 degree is root 3 by 2. Cos 60 degree, base by hypotenuse. Base is a by 2 and hypotenuse is A. For B right a by 2a. A is cancelled, that is 1 by 2. The value of the cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. And the value of tan 60, okay, tan 60 degree, that is the perpendicular by base. So root 3a by 2 divided by a by 2. Okay, a by 2, that is root 3a by 2 multiplied 2 by a. A is cancelled, 2 is cancelled, that is root 3. For students, find 50 degree. The value of find 50 degree, root 3 by 2, cos 50 degree 1 by 2 and tan 50 degree is root 3. For the reciprocal of the find 50 degree is the cosec 60 degree. So cosec 60 degree is equal to 2 by root 3. Okay, and the cos 50, the reciprocal of the cos 50 degree is the sec 60 degree. The value of the sec 60 degree is 2. Okay, and the reciprocal of the tan 50 degree is cot 60 degree, that is the value of 1 by root 3. Okay, this is the trigonometric ratio of the 60 degree angle, 60 degree. Okay, and next is T ratios of 30 degree. So students, in any triangle, in triangle ADB, okay, so find 30 degree. Find 30 degree for this acute angle, perpendicular is BD. Okay, the opposite side of 30 degree is BD. So BD is the perpendicular, AD is the base and AB is the hypotenuse. Okay, so find 30 degree, perpendicular BD by क्या AB. So BD is equal to A by 2 and AB is equal to A. So that is A by 2A. A is cancelled, that is 1 by 2. So the value of find 30 degree is 1 by 2. Okay, cos 30 degree. Cos 30 degree is the base by hypotenuse. Base is AD and hypotenuse is AB. So root 3A by 2 by A. So root 3A by 2A. A is cancelled, that is root 3 by 2. So cos 30 degree का value root 3 by 2 and find cos, that is tan. Tan 30 degree, tan 30 degree is equal to perpendicular by base. So BD by AD. Okay, BD is A by 2. BD is A by 2 and divided by root 3 A by 2. That is A by 2 multiplied 2 by root 3. A is cancelled, 2 is cancelled, that is 1 by root 3. Okay, so students, find cos and tan. The reciprocal of the find 30 degree is the cosec 30 degree. Okay, cosec 30 degree is the value of the cosec 30 degree is 2. Okay, and the cos 30 degree is the sec 30 degree. Sec 30 degree value 2 by root 3. Okay, and the reciprocal of the tan 30 degree is the cot 30 degree. Cot 30 degree का वैल्यू कितना 2 by root cot 30 degree का root 3. Okay students,